FAQs about society garlic, your go-to guide. I've always enjoyed gardening, and one plant that has caught my attention over the years is society garlic. With its beautiful, lavender flowers and garlic-like aroma, this plant has been a staple in my garden for quite some time. Let me walk you through some frequently asked questions about society garlic to give you a better understanding of why it might be a good fit for your garden, too. What is society garlic? Society garlic, also known by its scientific name Tulbaghia violacea, belong to the Amaryllidaceae family, is a perennial herb native to South Africa. It's known for its clumping habit, slender green leaves, and small, star-shaped, lilac flowers that bloom in clusters. Despite its name, society garlic is not a true garlic but is a member of the Amaryllis family. It's called society garlic because it has a milder garlic scent, making it more socially acceptable to be around after consuming it. Is society garlic edible? Yes, society garlic is edible. Both the leaves and flowers can be eaten. The leaves have a mild garlic flavor, making them a great addition to salads, soups, and other dishes where you might use garlic or chives. I often use the flowers to garnish dishes, adding a pop of color and a subtle garlicky taste. Does society garlic spread? Society garlic does spread, but not aggressively. It multiplies through its rhizomes, gradually expanding its clumps over time. This spreading nature makes it a great ground cover, especially in garden beds where you want a low-maintenance plant that can fill in spaces. Does society garlic repel mosquitoes? One of the reasons I love society garlic is its natural ability to repel mosquitoes. The plant emits a garlicky aroma that mosquitoes and other insects find unpleasant. While it's not as potent as some commercial repellents, planting society garlic around outdoor seating areas can help reduce mosquito presence. Is society garlic toxic to dogs? Society garlic is generally not considered toxic to dogs, but it's always best to keep an eye on your pets. Some sources suggest that large quantities could cause stomach upset. In my experience, my pets have shown no interest in munching on these plants, but if you have a curious pet, it's something to be aware of. Do deer eat society garlic? Another great feature of society garlic is that deer tend to avoid it. The strong scent is a natural deterrent, making it an excellent choice for gardens in areas where deer are a problem. Does society garlic attract bees? Yes, society garlic does attract bees. The lavender flowers are a good source of nectar, making them a favorite among bees. This can be beneficial for your garden, as bees are essential pollinators. Does society garlic attract butterflies? Butterflies are also attracted to society garlic. The colorful blooms and sweet nectar provide a food source for these beautiful insects. Planting society garlic can help create a more butterfly-friendly environment in your garden. Does society garlic keep bugs away? Besides mosquitoes, society garlic can help deter other bugs, such as aphids and whiteflies. The scent can be unpleasant to many pests, making it a natural choice for pest control. Does society garlic need full sun? Society garlic thrives best in full sun but can tolerate partial shade. In my experience, the more sun, the better the flowering. However, in extremely hot climates, a bit of afternoon shade can help prevent the leaves from scorching. Does society garlic repel gophers? Society garlic is also known to repel gophers. Gophers find the smell and taste unpleasant, so planting it around vegetable gardens or flower beds can help keep these critters at bay. Does society garlic repel snakes? While not a foolproof method, some gardeners believe that society garlic can help repel snakes due to its strong scent. It's worth a try if you're looking for natural ways to keep snakes out of your garden. Society garlic versus agapanthus. Both society garlic and agapanthus are popular in landscaping for their attractive blooms. However, while agapanthus features large, globe-like clusters of blue or white flowers, society garlic offers smaller, delicate lilac flowers. Society garlic has the added benefit of its pest-repelling properties, which agapanthus lacks. Society garlic versus garlic chives. While both society garlic and garlic chives have a mild garlic flavor and similar uses in cooking, they are different plants. Garlic chives, Allium tuberosum, have flat, grass-like leaves and white flowers, whereas society garlic has narrow, fleshy leaves and lavender flowers. Society garlic also offers more ornamental appeal with its taller, more colorful blooms. How to care for society garlic. Caring for society garlic is quite simple. It requires well-drained soil and moderate watering. Once established, it is fairly drought-tolerant. Fertilize it lightly in the spring to encourage growth and flowering. Deadheading spent flowers can help maintain a tidy appearance and encourage more blooms. How to propagate society garlic. Society garlic can be propagated by dividing clumps. In early spring, simply dig up a clump, separate the rhizomes, and replant them in the desired location. This is a great way to expand your garden without purchasing more plants. What to plant with society garlic. Society garlic pairs well with other sun-loving perennials like lavender, rosemary, and salvia. These plants share similar growing conditions and create a beautiful, aromatic garden that's both colorful and functional. Can you grow society garlic indoors? While it's more commonly grown outdoors, society garlic can be grown indoors in a pot with sufficient light. A sunny windowsill or a grow light can provide the necessary sunlight. Just be aware that the garlicky scent can be strong indoors, so consider this when choosing a location. Benefits of growing society garlic. Society garlic offers several benefits. It's attractive, edible, and has pest-repelling properties. Its drought tolerance makes it a low-maintenance choice for gardeners in dry climates. Plus, it's resistant to deer and rabbits, making it a versatile addition to many landscapes. Society garlic is a fantastic plant with a lot to offer. Whether you're looking for a beautiful flower, a culinary herb, or a natural pest repellent, society garlic can be a great addition to your garden.